Eggs Benedict. Now at home and a lot cheaper. The overpriced brunch favorite. You know, it's considered high-end. It's not. It's considered high-end because restaurants charge a lot of money for it, at least in New York. When you go out, pick something more extravagant, but make this at home. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make poached eggs super easy. Take all of the scary out of it. Last episode we learned how to poach eggs. They've been sitting out. I'm gonna show you how to reheat them. If you need to make a bunch of them, don't have to make them to order. These are still perfectly cooked. They're just cool. All I have to do is dip them in the warm poaching water again, warm them through, and then they're ready to serve. We're gonna make a hollandaise sauce in the blender, which takes about a minute. No offense to Canada or anything, but I'm not a big fan of Canadian bacon. So we've got some nice thick cut bacon that I've cooked. I've already shown you how to cook bacon. Just baked it at 375, cold oven, flipped it, moved it around to the hot spots. The same things I told you how to do in the bacon and scrambled eggs video. So I have bacon already cooked. I have my poached eggs ready to be reheated. I've got my favorite English muffin, baies. Grab these if you see them. Thomas works too. And then we're gonna make the hollandaise and we're ready to go. 3 egg yolks. So I wanna separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So I have 2 bowls. The egg whites are gonna go in here and the yolks go in here. And you do that by opening them upward and just passing the yolk through back and forth. Trying not to break the yolk. Trying to use the edge of the shell to sort of pinch off that egg white that sort of hangs there. And freeze these. Throw them in some ice cube trays and then pop them in a Ziploc. You can wrap it and save it for an omelet tomorrow, an egg white omelet. Don't throw these away, eat them. I need hot melted butter and about 8 to 10 tablespoons. I'm gonna quickly melt this. We're gonna need 1/4 of a lemon, salt, and then our cayenne paprika blend. And then that's the hollandaise. You don't want the butter too hot. We want to replicate a double boiler situation that usually is the way this is made. So we want it warm enough to take the eggs a little out of raw, but we don't want to scramble them. So we got our butter. So we're gonna go in with our egg. Get all that egg in there. I'm gonna add the lemon juice afterwards. So we're gonna start low. Now we're gonna slowly add the butter a little bit at a time. Squeeze of lemon, a little more salt. I'm actually gonna add a touch of water. Just shot in the face. So now what I can do is put it in this pan and I can keep it warm on the stove. Make sure you get it all out. Oh no, that's like dangerous imagery right here. So fun fact, after I made the hollandaise, I put it on the stove to keep it warm and it broke. Because I forgot it was on and the heat was probably a little too high. That's very possible to happen. As you can see, it looks pretty good. What I did to fix it, I needed to add 2 more egg yolks to it. And I would put it onto the heat and mix it really fast and then put it off to, well. This is what it looks like if it breaks. I'm gonna add an egg yolk, lemon juice. You can add water as well. See the transformation? And not broken. Back to this. I mean, we got a perfectly poached egg. No white of the egg is undercooked. Nice crisp bacon on a good quality English muffin. Do you know how much money you're going to save? So that wraps up eggs for the week. We got some news, yep. Knife giveaway ends tomorrow. I'll be announcing the winner next Thursday. Tune in next Thursday for sure, next Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you enter the knife giveaway. The link is down in the description. You might win a knife. Thanks again for watching this week. Makes me so happy to see you guys in the kitchen. See you next time.